First, I'm gonna use water as a solvent and measure it by 10 ml. The first substance that I am going to use is the 1 teaspoon of salt and add it to the water. I'm gonna use the chopstick as a stirrer to stir the water and the salt. Stir the water and the salt so you can see if salt dissolves in water. As you can see, the salt dissolved in water, so it is soluble. Pour another 10 ml of water for another substance, which is the baking soda. When it comes to baking soda, there are some particles that dissolve in water. That's why we can call this as partially soluble. Third substance is the sugar. Stir it as the same with the salt and baking soda. As you can see, sugar is also a partially soluble. And today I'm gonna use the rubbing alcohol for solvent. Again, measure the alcohol by 10 ml. The salt in alcohol is insoluble. Pour another 10 ml of alcohol for baking powder. The same with salt, baking powder is insoluble. Pour another 10 ml of alcohol for sugar. Sugar is also insoluble. Next is we're The salt in the club water is partially soluble. Second, put baking powder on the club water. The baking powder in the club water is insoluble. The sugar is partially soluble in club water.
Lastly, we're gonna use the cooking oil.
We're just going to repeat the same procedure. First is the salt, next is the baking powder, and next is the sugar. Salt in the oil is insoluble. Sugar in the oil is insoluble. Sugar in oil is also insoluble. So we are done in experimenting the solubility of each substance. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.